It's a beautiful day today. We had lots of rain, and believe it or not, it's almost 3 weeks that I came to check on my boat ever since I launched it and put it in the slip. And I mean, I've been very busy. I was not even able to take the boat out. Even the weather was above 90 degrees some of the days, above 89, 88, like that. Beautiful boating weather, but I was not able to take it out. And now the rain stopped and I'm here to check on my boat, see everything is okay. What a beautiful view. Really overcast skies, but I think the rain has gone, no more. So here's my boat. It's still here in one piece. That's a good news, right? So this is a quick trip of the pier. Lots of boats here. So somebody here is trying to test how to grow the grass. I don't know what's the technical term used for it, but they've been experimenting over here. So the boat looks okay, there was no problems, everything was fine, the builder was working fine. So whenever I take my boat out, I always flush the engine. So you connect the fresh water to a hose into the setting over there and run it for a good 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and it flushes out the salt water, and it is recommended every time when you take the boat out. So guys, that's the end of this video, and I hope you like this video. If you consider subscribing, please subscribe to the channel and become part of the YouTube family. Thank you so much. See you sometime, somewhere soon. Bye bye.